Hello, my name is Matthew Brown with HomeSight Inspections, and I've been inspecting homes for the past 16 years. Whether you're planning on selling your home or staying there forever, here's one quick tip you'd like to know. A maintenance item not to forget is to change your furnace filters. Every 30 days you should change these filters. One thing that a lot of people don't know about is the airflow arrows. On every filter there's an airflow arrow, and you want to make sure that you're putting your filter in the correct way so that it doesn't damage the filter and possibly damage your furnace. It's important to change these filters because if you don't, you're going to reduce the airflow through the furnace. That could cause it to overheat and prematurely crack the heat exchanger.